The buzz at JP Taravella High School in Coral Springs is all about the flag fight between Haitian students and the school's administrator.
The students say that she confiscated their flags when they were displaying their heritage for Haitian Flag Day. Local 10's Terrell Fournet is live to explain.
Well, Janine and Victor, Broward County basically prides itself on having one of the most culturally diverse school districts in the entire country. And this week, many people celebrated Haitian Flag Day, but when students at this high school, some of them at least, decided to join in on those celebrations, they say they only got their materials confiscated as a result. Students at JP Taravella High are highly encouraged to celebrate their heritage, but on Haitian Flag Day on Wednesday, a few students say they were discouraged from displaying their pride. One girl, Denitra Toomer, taking to Twitter, writing, "While we are proudly taking a picture representing Haiti, she comes and snatches our property." She, according to students, was the 12th grade assistant principal, Lisa Panazzo. This photo, placed on social media, appears to show that administrator grabbing some items, but it does not show what, if anything, happens seconds before. This on the same day that Broward School Superintendent Robert Runcie tweeted about the adoption of a resolution to support Haitian heritage and culture in the district. But Denitra says she was only encouraged to take down her disparaging tweets, and when she refused, she wrote this: "They're putting me in IS, or in-house suspension, because I won't take down my posts. She talked down on me because I supposedly degraded her reputation." End quote. We've been in touch with that high school student who says she's since gotten an apology. And we reached out to the Broward County Public School District, and they have sent over this statement that says, quote, "School administrators indicate they did not in any way violate or infringe upon the rights of students during Haitian Flag Day. Students were only addressed if they were in violation of the policy specifically regarding bandanas and hats. At no time were students asked not to show their pride." Bottom line, they say that students were only asked to remove capes or hats because it is not with the student code of conduct and the dress code here at JP Taravella High. We know that the principal here has also issued an apology via Twitter to students, saying that this should not have happened the way that it did. We are live in Coral Springs. I'm Terrell Fournet, Local 10 News.
A flag fight continues at another high school, this one in Coral Springs, after some students claimed they were discouraged from displaying their pride. Local 10 News reporter Derek Shore live to explain.
Lori, an absolutely crazy day today here at Taravella High School. Really not a normal school day. It got crazy. It got carried away at times. Even students admit that to me, but they say there was a good message behind all of it.
JPT Carnival! JPT Carnival!
It was a wild day at JP Taravella High School in Coral Springs. Students yelling, waving flags from all over the world, and showing their support and pride. It comes after some students at the high school accused an administrator this week of snatching Haitian flags from them as they showed their pride on Haitian Flag Day. The student who tweeted this photo also posted that she was given in-school suspension for doing so.
Everyone was celebrating their culture and where they came from.
And while things got a little carried away at times, students felt like there was a unifying message to the melee.
I believe that this was a really important event because everybody got together, every different cultures got together, representing where they're from, and I believe that's what we should do in everyday society because everybody's judged from where they come from.
Meanwhile, the school district insisted that the administrator seen in the Twitter photo was trying to enforce the school's dress code, banning bandanas and other accessories. But we are told at the same time that student who tweeted it out received an apology, and the school's principal later tweeted one as well.
We all came together as a whole to represent where we're from and who we are, basically.
So the district saying that they were just enforcing their policies as usual. As for today, some students saying some senior pranks got mixed in with all of this. There was a food fight and some other things going on that were definitely against school rules, and those students may be dealt with. But other than that, a relatively peaceful, although loud demonstration today on campus. We're live in Coral Springs. Derek Shore, Local 10 News.